Hi, I'm Hannah. I'm the solo founder and CEO of Lanatomy AI. Our goal is to help language learners learn exactly what they need to be themselves in a new language fast in a matter of 3 to 6 months and no longer have to use so many apps for their studies. We make money by charging a subscription fee for our comprehensive suite of AI powered tools where learners can learn any language we can find a native speaker for. They want to learn Welsh, we can find a Welsh native speaker to build the language data for it fast with AI and our unique methodology that leverages the native language of the learners. In addition, the learners can also pay an extra $1,200 to $3,500 upfront for our personalized coaching service, which lasts around 4 to 6 months to help them become fluent fast. We launched our coaching service last August, 8 months ago, and have earned around $170,000, all organically and with a very small team.